Hi, good day, Miss M6748. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my name is Janine E. Silva. I'm 38 years old, married with 4 kids. I am a high school graduate, Catholic. I have 2 years experience working in Saudi Arabia for a family of 4, a couple and a 3 years old twins. My duties and responsibilities is to taking care of their children, prepare their meals, send them to the school and to their tutorial class. I also do a household chores like washing clothes, ironing clothes, cleaning the house, and also do marketing.
Okay, so since I saw that you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Because you have children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any relatives in Hong Kong?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my husband for the tuition because Hong Kong offers a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong
4
Kong?
to 6 years.
4 to 6 years.
Yes, sir.
So it's longer. And who will be the one who take care of your children?
My mother-in-law and my husband, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
For the YouTube and their Chinese food.
Okay. If your employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
How about color it into black?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with a baby or kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be your message for your dearest future employer?
To my future employer, I am a trustworthy, liable, and lovable person, and I will do my best to finish my contract and to take care of your children. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Jenny. Thank you.
Yes.